In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to generate account number on Gray app, and then how you can get your dollar card. So these are the things I'm going to teach you on today's class. Right, so now we are on the new account that I created last time. If you watch the level 7, this is the new account that I created. So here is the account, and then can you see this dollar sign here? I mean, this dollar shows $0. Okay, so right here now, before you can get a dollar card, you need to verify your account. And then, as you can see, that I said earlier, that if you click on my referral code, you have a bonus. So there's a bonus going on right now, because to get a dollar card, you need a $5. Okay, you need a $5 to get a dollar card. So $5 in Nigerian, that should be 9,000 to 10,000 thereabout. I don't know, you can do the math and thereabout. Okay, so now, here is what we need to do. So before you can get an account number, customize account number for yourself, you need to verify your account. Can you see? Verify your identity, submit a valid ID to unlock full access. So I don't want to drop my details on this account because they won't verify it. So because I've already used it for my current account that I'm using. So okay, so that is that. So we have, can you see all accounts? We have United States USD account here, British, Euro, Nigeria. So if I should click on Nigeria now, can you see said request a Nigerian account, open Nigerian account to start receiving payments globally. So if you click here now, you see you need to verify. So if you don't verify, you won't have access to this. So I'm going to switch to my own account now, so I can guide you on how to do the transferring and the converting from Naira to dollar, and then from dollar to your dollar card. So that is what I'm going to teach you in this video. Okay, so I'm going to switch. Let me log out. So this is my account. I didn't have money in this wallet, so if I want to add money, I'll click on add money. You click on add money, then you click on this currency here, this USD flag. I will click on it and I will select Nigeria. So and you see say add via bank transfer. So if I click here now, and you see this is my account number, this is my Wema Bank account number. So if I copy the account number, I can easily send money to this account number, and then it's going to reflect. Okay, so for the sake of this video, let me just try and do a small transfer. When you want to send the money, make sure you send the money from your own account that carries your name. So the name of your sender, I mean the name of the sender, must be the same thing as the name you used to create this Gray account. So because if any other person send money to you with another name, the money will be reversed. Are we together now? It's going to be reversed. So the sender must be the same name. Can you see? It must carry the same name. So if you want to credit your account, you must send the money from your own personal account to this Gray wallet, so that the money can reflect here. If not, the money will be reversed back to the sender. If the money doesn't reflect, just hold on, reload the app. The money will reflect instantly. So as I said earlier, take note that you must send the money from the same account name. And you see that the money has been added. So now I have 1,500 here for the sake of this training. How did I reach this place? I click on this all accounts. So clicking on this all accounts, then I click on this Nigerian Naira account. And you see I have US, I have British, Euro, all that and all that. So but this is the Naira that I will send Naira to here, and then now convert it to dollar. So click on it, and can you see send money, convert. So what you want to do now, I need to convert it to dollar before I can now transfer it to my dollar card. So I will click on this convert. So can you see 1,500? Then I will enter 1,500. So can you see the rate? The conversion rate is 1,485 naira. That is the conversion rate. Okay, so I will click on continue. Then I will click on convert money. So can you see currency conversion is successful? So can you see here now that here was showing a 0 before? Can you see now there is now $1 4 cents. Okay, So if you want to generate your card, you need to click this card here. This card that you are seeing, this card is $5 to generate card. So I won't be clicking on these details because that is my card details. So it's only going to cost you $5 to generate your card. And if you use my promo code, you can have access for free virtual card. Check under the description of this video. You will see my promo code there. Click on the link and then use it to download the app and use it to log in. Okay, with the promo code you can have access for free virtual card instead of you paying $5 to get a virtual card. So now you see that I have $1.04 here, and then if you check my card, I have $1.84. So that means there's still money on my dollar card. So if I want to add money, what I just need to do, I will just need to click on add money. Just select the $1. Can you see? So this is my dollar account, while this is my dollar card. I want to fund card, I want to be debited. This is different from this. Go together now. So I'll click on continue, then I'll click fund card. So let me just reload it. In a few minutes the money will be credited here. It doesn't take much time like that to reflect in. To avoid unnecessary charges when you make payments, when you use your card to make some payments on online shopping or for ads or for anything, I do come here to unfreeze and freeze my account. Can you see unfreeze? Let me click on freeze. Can you see here unfreeze virtual card? Your card will be active and you can make payments again. So normally I will just click on yes, unfreeze card. So unnecessary transaction will not just come in. Are you getting me? If you use your card, you just be deducting your money without you knowing. So I do come here to freeze and unfreeze. Can you see now that it's not showing freeze? So can you see that the money has already been added? Before we have $1.87. Now we have $2.87. So the money has now been added. So I will click on freeze so that the card places that I've used my card before, they won't just be deducting the money unknown to me. So that is the secret of that. Okay, go to home. Okay, go to cards. Can you see now the card is now on freeze? So I freeze it so that unnecessary charges won't be deducting from my card. So if you want to check the details of your card, you will click on these details. So and then it will show you all your card details, all your card information and all that. So but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to hide it. So that is that. So in my next video, I'm going to now teach you on how to add a card on your TikTok ad manager to send money to your account, verify your gray account. So now swipe to the left hand side, click on all accounts. After you verified your gray account, an account number will be generated for you, which is going to be Wema Bank or whichever bank. If you register with my promo code and then you verify your gray account, Gray will customize a Wema Bank account for you. So when you click on the Naira account, click on accounts, you click on the Naira account, you will see the Wema account number that they generated for me. So likewise you too, you will see your own. So copy the account number, send the money to the account number with the same name. So when the money comes here, then you click on convert. So when you convert, you first of all convert the money from Naira to dollar. So from dollar, you will now convert it to card. I hope you understand. You go back here, then you come back to card. So from card, you will now click on add money. Firstly convert to dollar, and then from dollar to your card. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you are new to my channel, can you please subscribe to my channel? And then if you are a returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. Till we see you next time. Peace.